I see a future where we have independence and freedom and inclusion as much as we possibly can, despite California's budget cuts.
I am ready to move into the community. I have been waiting 2 years and I am going to get out there now.
More than 25,000 children, youth, adults, and seniors with disabilities receive services every year from Disability Rights California. Founded in 1978, our legal and advocacy services are set up throughout the state. We are found in 21 regional centers for people with developmental disabilities in all the state hospitals.
We are a statewide disability advocacy organization. We provide an array of different kinds of advocacy services. We also have the opportunity to work with other community partners and with pro bono partners to ensure that Californians with disabilities can live in a barrier-free and inclusive world.
For 30 years, we were known as Protection and Advocacy, Inc. Then in 2008, our name became Disability Rights California. Mark Chambers is one of many people with disabilities who was successful in moving out of San Francisco's largest nursing home, Laguna Honda Hospital.
Preparing to move out into the community, San Francisco. I hope to get into the home with my own room, but where I can be with other people.
We inform people with disabilities about their right to community living. The Supreme Court's Olmstead decision supports this right. We are working to help thousands of Californians with disabilities still living in institutions find out that they can choose to live in the least restricted environment. We investigate dangerous abuse of people with disabilities. An example is our report of abuse of residents by nursing home staff. We train Californians with disabilities and their family members to become advocates for their rights. We defend people with disabilities from cuts in state services that could endanger them and cause their segregation from the community. Our cases have stopped the administration, for now, from life-threatening cuts of day programs for seniors with disabilities, ADHD, and in-home supportive services, IHSS. We work with the legislature in Sacramento on new laws to improve the lives of Californians with disabilities.
We work with the state legislature in Sacramento on bills that affect people with disabilities. Our organization takes positions on about 50 bills a year. We review even more. We work with other disability rights organizations in coalition on bills. For example, this past year we worked with the California Foundation for Independent Living Centers on a bill that would teach disability history in schools and in colleges.
We sponsor dozens of peer self-advocacy groups of people with psychiatric disabilities all over the state. These groups include women who speak primarily Spanish to groups of veterans with post-traumatic stress issues. We participate in outreach events such as community fairs, ethnic festivals, and service or networking days for veterans, seniors, or homeless people. For example, we have staff at Native American powwows, meetings of Latino parents of children with disabilities, and free legal service clinics for lesbian, bisexual, gay, and transsexuals. At these events, our staff do one-to-one consultations and hand out thousands of free advocacy and legal publications in many languages and formats. Advocacy recognition. Angelina Rodriguez for her courageous reporting of violent restraints used by a California psychiatric hospital. Henry Sue, partner in the law firm of Howry LLP, for pro bono work in disability discrimination cases, shown here with classical musician Nathaniel Ayers, whose journey from the Los Angeles streets to supported housing is told in the book and the film The Soloist, and Andrea Friedman, television actress and disability spokesperson for more than 20 years. Our three basic ways to help Californians are training on your rights as a person with a disability, legal assistance to solve your disability-related issue, and class action lawsuits to help you and others who want to solve the same disability-related problem. If you have a disability-related legal issue, please contact us and we'll let you know how we can help you. To contact us statewide, please call our toll-free number, 800-776-5746 or TTY at 800-719-5798, or go to our website www.disabilityrightsca.org or our Spanish website at www.disabilityrightsca.org/Espanol, or find us on Facebook. We want to hear from you.